Once upon a time, a highway patrolman with only 14 months left on the job after seeing God knows what kind of carnage and atrocities over the past 24 years went to pull over somebody when another person flew by him and flicked him off. This is what happened.
Hey,
Can I just ask you why you're riding their butt like that and speeding, man?
I'm running his license plate because everybody else is speeding. Why are you speeding?
I was only going 60.
Speed limit's 40.
50.
The signs.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Do
All
yourself
right.
a favor. Oh, give me the weed, too.
No, I have a.
Yeah,
I have
no
a medical
shit.
marijuana card.
Step out.
I have a card.
Step out.
All right, stop, man.
You want to fucking run your mouth? No problem. You came to the right guy. Step out.
All right, stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Hands, please. Front back. Anything sharp?
No, sir.
Where's the marijuana?
I have it in my car, but I have
Where's
a
the
weed
card?
card. I have a weed card.
6 feet apart. Right now you're just being detained. You're not under arrest.
All right.
Seems you have a very hostile attitude.
No, I really don't.
See, the blue car
Yeah, which one?
was tailing me
Yeah.
while I was pacing a tractor trailer looking for a motor vehicle violation because the
Okay.
governor's office has gotten multiple complaints
Yeah.
on traffic stops.
I know.
Okay?
I know that.
So we're out doing our thing.
Okay.
He decides to pass me and flip me off.
All right, Spino. I'm sorry, man.
All right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So who the fuck do you think you are worried about what I'm doing?
Okay. You're right.
I know I'm right, goddammit! Get the fuck down! Everyone's got something to fucking say! Mind your own goddamn business! You're fucking speeding! How would I start with that?
You're right, Spino. Listen, I'm sorry.
No shit! I was following that kid for a reason, and if you hadn't done that fucking stupid stunt, I'd be with him right now. But no! You just couldn't leave it alone, could you? You had to be a fucking American. God help you if there's anything illegal in this car. Is it in the original dispensary container? What?
It's roach.
Is it in the original dispensary container?
No.
Then you're fucked! How's that sound? No shit! Mind your own fucking business next time!
You just taught me a lesson.
Yeah, it's called shut the fuck up! I was driving along, I was gonna head to a simple citation to that kid, but no! You gotta be... You just couldn't fucking shut your mouth. Where you going anyway? Where do you work?
Where's Haven?
Where?
It's called American Pulp.
What's that?
It's a...
Paper?
Yeah, you know, like the liquor bottles and stuff that the shit comes in, like the trays. I promise you, I only have weed in the car. Honest to goodness. And it's all right here in my glove box right here.
You ever heard of what a heat seeker is?
No.
A heat seeker is something that draws attention to itself. Heat-seeking missiles, they go for the heat. Sit the fuck down. Did I tell you to move? Why am I speeding? I'm doing my fucking job. Connecticut General Statute 14-298 allows law enforcement officers to disregard the traffic laws in the performance of their duties. How the fuck am I going to catch a speeder if I'm not speeding? You late for your job at NASA with physics?
You're right, man.
Where do you want this so it doesn't get trashed?
That's my advice.
I can tell. I don't want to get ruined. Unfucking believable. It just never fucking ends in this fucking job. I got 14 months. I can't fucking wait to be done. This ought to tell you why our department, instead of having 1,300, has 850 right now. There's a fucking clue to the public. What a bunch of assholes you are. Right there. You want it on paper or not?
No,
Is it in the original dispensary container? No shit. Turn around. Everything across you make You think I'm kidding? You think I'm fucking kidding? Look at me. Do I look like I'm happy with you right now? Shut your Don't you ever fuck with me again!
Hey, can you be safe?
The trooper's been placed on administrative duties, and per his command, this will keep him from public interaction pending the outcome of an internal investigation. We feel you, trooper. We feel you. God willing, he spends his next 14 months relaxing, then retiring.
Whack.